loungewear, Adoreme's got it all. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Adoreme because fall is coming, which means comfy season is coming. Today we're going to be unboxing and trying on a bunch of different loungewear that I got from Adoreme. First up, we've got some fuzzy socks because you can never go wrong with fuzzy socks in the fall, even though we're kind of having a heat wave in California, but these are called the fuzzy tube sock. Let's open her up. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, I can't wait to put these on. Yep, these are a comfy vibe. I love them. Next up, we have a really comfy white t-shirt. It's called the Gabriella. I like how it has like the little scoop neck, and also the threading feels really nice, comfortable, but also, I mean, I'm in California, so I feel like the weather here is pretty warm. It's gonna be nice for fall because it's not gonna be too warm. Nice and comfy. Next we have the Perfect Cami, and yes, that's the name of it. It's actually, from what I read, has a cooling effect. I like this material. Oh, this is nice. You know, it's funny, my mom used to have shirts like this and I used to steal them from her. But they're nice to sleep in because it's like you get a thin tank top that's comfortable, but it's also breathable. Oh, it's comfortable. Definitely need to loosen the straps a little. Adjustable strap. There we go. Oh, I like it. It's like tight but loose. Very thin, as you can see. Comfortable for sure. And it's really thin, which is nice. I understand the cooling effect aspect now. This is called the Claire. Start with the shirt. Ooh, another really soft tank top. I love that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's cool. Business in the front, party in the back. I like it though because it has this little twist in the back. It's breathable, so that's nice. Bottoms. They look like joggers, and they are. Ooh, these are cool. I actually love like lounge pants like this, sleep pants. I like the design as well and the color. They have a drawstring, which is nice. Does it actually work? Yes, that would be a yes. They work. They also have pockets, as you can see, and the bottoms just kind of cuff a little bit. Let's try these on. Oh, they're so cute on the bottom. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so cute. Last but not least, we have one more set of loungewear. This one's called the Lilyy. It looks a little similar to the Claire that I just showed you, but it's basically like a jogger tank top kind of a set. So let's open her up. Then we spark top. Ooh, the pants are cool. We get more pockets, another drawstring. Should we test the drawstring? Yep. Works. I always like a drawstring that actually works, not the ones that are like just for style. I like the pattern because it's like ribbed in certain areas, and then also other areas you have the solid, so that's pretty cool. Very soft, and that jogger. Oh, it's nice. Got like that little cami. It's actually a little thicker than the other camis, just a fair warning, but it's not that thick. I like the straps, that's unique. They're not adjustable, which is fine, especially because it's loungewear. Most of the time that stuff isn't really adjustable. I like the material though, it feels really soft. Oh, the inside's cool. I like this a lot. And it's very stretchy too, which is nice. And I like the blue. This is the colors of my college, so of course I'm gonna like the blue. Let's try this on. Love the drawstring. I like this a little bit more form-fitting, still loose. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. As I mentioned earlier, they have so many things to choose from, so make sure you check out the link below to find out why I love Adoreme so much and see for yourself. Thanks for watching. Until next time.